Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you the steps you can take to connect your Huawei Mate 20 Pro to your TV. By following this simple technique, you can be up and running instantly. However, if you do have any issues or have any questions about this process, then please comment them below and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. To screen your Mate 20 Pro to your TV, you will need to purchase a USBC to HDMI adapter. While there are a variety of these adapters on the market, I would recommend the following official Samsung adapter as it is an official accessory that works perfectly while looking great. This adapter is highly portable, allowing you to screen your phone on the go. Once you have your USB-C to HDMI adapter to hand, connect your HDMI cable to the back of your TV. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the adapter's HDMI port. Finally, plug the USB-C adapter into your Mate 20 Pro. Depending on the TV you have, you may have to select the correct HDMI option from the source menu. This can be done by selecting source on your TV remote and selecting HDMI from the drop-down menu. Some TVs may automatically connect without the need for this additional process. Your TV or monitor will trigger to mirror your phone, allowing you to show off anything and everything on your Mate 20 Pro with no limitations. The great feature of Huawei's Mate 20 Pro is desktop mode, which is not just a mirror of the screen. The EMUI software turns into a desktop-style layout that has multi-window support in desktop mode. The Mate 20 Pro acts as a trackpad and keyboard, allowing you to navigate this mode. This is a handy feature for work on the go or just for showing off to your friends and family. Mirroring your Mate 20 Pro screen is perfect for playing games, browsing the web, showing off your holiday snaps, as well as watching your favourite video services like YouTube, BBC iPlayer and even Netflix, which works seamlessly with this process. While there are other ways to view content from your phone on your TV, I believe this is the best way, offering the easiest setup and the most comprehensive experience possible. I hope this tutorial has been useful in showing you how to mirror your Mate 20 Pro to your TV. If you need further assistance, please leave a comment below. For more information and to purchase the adapter we used, please see the links in the comments and description below.